In this video, you will learn how to connect and configure a new Fortigate unit in NAT route mode to securely connect a private network to the internet. In NAT route mode, a Fortigate unit is installed as a gateway or router between two networks. In most cases, it is used between a private network and the internet. This allows the Fortigate to hide the IP addresses of the private network devices using Network Address Translation, or NAT. First, you'll need to connect your Fortigate into your network setup. Connect the Fortigate's internet-facing interface, usually WAN 1, to your ISP-supplied equipment, and connect a PC to the Fortigate using an internal port, usually port 1. Power on the ISP equipment, the Fortigate, and the PC. On the PC, which is now on the internal network, connect to the Fortigate's web-based interface using FortiExplorer or an internet browser. Log in using the default admin account with username admin and no password. Next, you'll need to configure the Fortigate's network interfaces. Go to System, Network, Interfaces, and edit the internet-facing interface. Set the addressing mode to Manual, and the IP net mask to your public IP address. Save the configuration, and then edit the internal interface, usually called Internal or LAN. Set the addressing mode to Manual. Set the IP net mask to the private IP address you want to assign to the Fortigate. Delete the old DHCP entry and create a new one in the correct subnet. Now go to Router, Static Routes, or System Network Routing, depending on your model, and create a new route to allow your Fortigate to reach the internet. Set the destination IP to 8 zeros, the device to the internet-facing interface, and the gateway to the gateway IP provided by your ISP. Go to Policy and Objects, Policy IPv4 to create a new policy that will allow you to access the internet. Set the incoming interface to the internal interface, and the outgoing interface to the internet-facing interface. Set the rest to allow all traffic, and set the action to accept. Enable NAT, and make sure Use Destination Interface Address is enabled. Scroll down to view the logging options. To log and track internet traffic, enable Log Allowed Traffic and select All Sessions. You can now browse the internet using any computer that's connected to the Fortigate's internal interface. You can view the traffic that has been processed by your Fortigate by going to System, FortiView, All Sessions. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com to access our complete documentation library. Also, check out our new cookbook site at cookbook.fortinet.com for more tutorials like this one.